Looking for the perfect espresso at home? In today's video, we're diving into the top 12 espresso machines that promise barista-level coffee right in your kitchen. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, these machines are sure to take your coffee game to the next level. Stay tuned as we break down the best options for every budget. At number 1, we have Longhi Magnifica S Automatic Espresso Machine. Enjoy high-quality coffee in every cup as the machine grinds the beans fresh right before brewing. Includes a 250-gram bean container and a case for pre-ground, coffee-integrated grinding technology for freshly ground beans with adjustable grinding level. Conical steel grinders calibrated with 100% accuracy. The machine's technology grinds the exact amount of beans, leaving no residual coffee in the unit. Ensuring your next cup is just as fresh, Longhi Thermoblock system brews your coffee at the ideal temperature. It does this by only heating the water required for each beverage. Many of the removable components of this coffee machine are dishwasher safe for an easy care. At number 2, we have Breville BES 870XL Espresso Machine. Integrated precision, conical burr grinder, grinds on demand to deliver the right amount of freshly ground coffee directly into the portafilter for your preferred taste with any roast of bean. Low-pressure pre-infusion gradually increases pressure at the start and helps ensure all the flavors are drawn out evenly during the extraction for a balanced tasting cup. Digital temperature control, PID, delivers water at precisely the right temperature, ensuring optimal espresso extraction. Innovative grinding cradle allows any at-home barista to grind directly into the espresso portafilter for the perfect espresso. At number 3, we have Breville BES 880 BSS Espresso Machine. Your favorite coffee at your fingertips. Easily adjust coffee strength, milk texture, and temperature. Low-pressure pre-infusion followed by a high-pressure 9-bar extraction for an opulent espresso. With 30 grind settings, the precision grinder with dose control delivers the right amount of coffee. Silky microfoam with up to 1 million microbubbles per milliliter, ready for latte art. At number 4, we have Gaggia Espresso Machine Solid Steel Housing, made in Italy. 9-bar espresso extractions. Stainless steel 58mm commercial portafilter. Commercial 3-way solenoid valve. Commercial steam wand. The commercial steam wand offers full control while steaming and frothing milk, capable of producing tight microfoam for latte art. Get consistent shot quality and a thick layer of crema out of almost any coffee with the pressurized basket, or use the commercial basket with your own grinder for cafe-quality espresso. Superior mounting of the vibration pump dampens sound produced while brewing. As a result, the classic Evo Pro produces the same excellent espresso with less noise. At number 5, we have Gevi EzBru 1000C Espresso Machine with a 20-bar professional Italian pump. The Gevi espresso machine provides optimal espresso extraction, making the espresso more fragrant and rich in crema. Equipped with a built-in pressure gauge, you can monitor the extracting pressure in real time, allowing you to make adjustments based on your personal preferences. Choose from 4 distinct brewing volumes to suit any cup size, and select your preferred temperature from 4 precise options. With Gevi Espresso Coffee Maker's barista-level steam wand, you can enjoy delicious espresso, cappuccino, lattes, Americano, and right in the comfort of your home. Stainless steel housing, stylish and durable, offering modern aesthetic that complements any kitchen decor. It comes with 12-month warranty and lifetime tech support. At number 6, we have Longhi Magnifica Plus fully automatic espresso machine, 18 one-touch and customizable recipes. Espresso, latte macchiato, cappuccino, iced coffees, and more. Built-in conical burr grinder with 13 settings. Latte crema, hot system for frothing milk or milk alternatives. The automatic adjustable system delivers a creamy, rich foam, leaving you with the perfect end result. 3.5-inch TFT full touch and color display to quickly sort through and customize recipes. Personalize and save drink recipes with 4 user profiles. Removable and dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleanup, giving you more time to enjoy your drink. The built-in conical burr grinder delivers a precise, consistent dose of freshly ground coffee when brewing. At number 7, we have Mattinata Espresso Machine, 20-bar Mattinata Chic Mattino Pro Latte. At number 7, we have Mattinata Espresso Machine, 20 bar, Mattinata Chic Mattino Pro Latte Maker, not just a barista, but a stylish addition to your home decor. Brew terrific cappuccino every time, in a hue that whispers elegance. The Mattinata Coffee Maker Espresso Machine is nested with 2.0 long-life automatic milk frother tank for one-touch cappuccino. Bring this cappuccino machine into your kitchen and start your day of beauty every morning. Model Mattino Pro has upgraded the PID control brewing system. Now you can follow the manual to DIY coffee ratio. At number 8, we have Breville, the Barista Touch Impress Espresso Machine. With grinder, the Barista Touch Impress navigates you through the Impress puck system, precise extraction and hands-free, silky smooth microfoam. Intelligent dosing, assisted 22-pound tamping and auto-correction of the next dose to achieve a precise puck, finished with a 7-degree barista twist. Simplifies the steps needed to grind, dose and tamp to create an impressive puck. Auto Mill Q features 3 new alternative milk settings which calibrate air injection time and temperature specific to the type of milk you choose. Innovative thermojet heating system achieves the optimum extraction temperature in 3 seconds. Ready to make your best coffee without the wait. At number 9, we have Espresso Works Barista Pro Series Espresso Machine with grinder, the all-in-one Barista Pro Espresso Machine. Grinds espresso beans, brews 1 to 2 shots of espresso, steams milk, and dispenses hot water for an Americano in minutes. 15-bar espresso maker boasts a thermoblock heating system and easy-to-use control panel. Coffee machine with bean grinder comes with 29 other pieces, includes a detachable water tank with handle and removable lid, stainless steel frothing pitcher, tamper, 4 glasses, 2 shakers, grounds knockbox, cleaning tools, and more. Cleaning pin is conveniently stored inside the drip tray. Remove the tray and find the pin in the red cartridge. At number 10, we have Gevi Espresso Machine. With Gevi Espresso Coffee Maker's automatic milk frother, unlock the secret to effortless perfection in milk frothing. No advanced skills required, just place and down, and the espresso maker effortlessly creates rich, velvety milk foam for your cappuccinos and lattes. Equipped with a 20-bar pump, NTC temperature control, pre-infusion feature, and a pressure gauge, the Gevi stainless steel espresso coffee machines with a milk frother allows you to craft a range of cafe-quality beverages. Choose from 4 different brewing volume options, enhancing your coffee experience with the Gevi Expressions machine, perfect for single, couples, and families. At number 11, we have Longhi Magnifica Start Automatic Espresso. Easily make espresso, coffee, lattes, and iced coffee at home in minutes. Enjoy espresso, coffee, and Americano at the touch of a button. 13 grind settings means all of your bean varieties are optimally prepared for extraction. The conical burr grinder delivers a precise, consistent dose of freshly ground coffee for all your favorite espresso beverages. Traditional milk frother to easily prepare perfectly textured foam with milk and milk alternatives. Craft your favorite drinks such as lattes, cappuccinos, and more. Removable and dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleaning. At number 12, we have Philips 2200 series fully automatic espresso, machine espresso, or coffee, take your pick. Cappuccino lovers, top your coffee with silky smooth milk froth using our 2-part milk system. Brew your favorite coffee quickly and easily using our user-friendly touch display. Aroma Seal preserves the freshness of your beans so they last for longer. Easily keep the heart of your coffee machine in great shape. Remove, rinse, place back.